Where are we going?
We're going to my house.
Are you sure?
Yes,
How sure are you?
I'm good.
Don't touch it na. Alisin mo yung ano mo, hands on. Nakikita.
In 200 meters, turn right after Jollibee Karangalan onto Kaginhawa.
Kaginhawa.
Zon! What's your price?
My price is Hello Panda chocolate.
Please settle down in front and please find your most comfortable seat. Thank you very much.
Elmo is still sleeping. We need to wake him up. On the count of 3, let's say, wake up, Elmo. 1, 2.
Once again, all the best before we start the grand entrance. Sample po muna guys ng palakpakan ng kasama sigawan at roll! Alright, so once again, before we start the grand entrance, so allow me to introduce myself. My name is Michelangelo Hernani. So I will be your host and magician for a wonderful event for today. So once again, lahat ng mga guests natin, ready na ba ang lahat makita yung ating birthday celebrant? Yes or no? Yes, kung ready na po makita yung ating birthday celebrant, so I would like to invite to all stand up. So lahat ng mga guests po natin, maaari po muna po tayong tumayo po lahat para po sa ating grand entrance ng ating birthday celebrant together po and daddy. Okay? So thank you very much. Alright, so once again, lahat ng mga guests po natin because I want you to help me to welcoming the birthday celebration for today. So bago po natin tawagin again, sample po na ulit ng palakpakan namin kasama si Gawon! Alright, so once again, everybody, let's all welcome the star of the day together, Mom and Daddy. So isang malakas na palakpakan para kay baby, Eliana! Clap your hands! Happy birthday to you. Make some noise! Happy birthday, happy birthday. One, clap your hands! Alright, so thank you very much guys. So palakpakan naman natin yung ating birthday celebrant sa Iliana together, Mom and Daddy. Okay, for the this time. So kahit yung medyo kanina lang, okay? Yung pitch nyo lang, hindi kailangan ng malakas. One. Sige po, pakapalitin. Kasi mami na lang, baka kaya natin. Yung medyo sakto lang, ma'am. Hindi natin kailangan mag-shout, okay? 1, 2, 3, shout! Alright, thank you very much. Enjoy the music. And so now, start na tayo ng ating Pyro Games. So sa mga kids natin, ready na kayo for our Pyro Games? Yes or no?
Doon, doon.
Come on! Bibigyan ko ng prize. Melody! Okay, so then yung maliyain yung mic. Bring me game! Bagong bago. Walang tawag sa bagong game. Bago ba yun? Yung malakala ko bago. Okay, so guys. Okay, thanks. Ready? Yes. And remind ko lang na ang matatalo dito may punishment kung gagawin sa harap. Ayan.
Video
So, kailangan yung walang gusto magpagkala. So, ganito yung category. So, suotin natin magmula sa
How are you,
ulo.
Corina Sanchez?
Huwag natin pababa. Pasakay number 2. Pasakay number 3. Ganun din, pasakay number 4. Hanggang 5. And then, sigaw niyo yung pangalan ng team nyo. Okay? Shout na lang.
Kamusta
And then,
naman?
madali. Yeah. So, okay, everybody say magic.
Hi to my vlog.
One more, everybody say magic.
Suppose ko to ah.
Magic. Thank you very much. Why? What are you doing? Magic. Okay, sorry.
Gusto mo ba doon?
Ako, okay.
Shadow close up.
Hindi mo sila na. Already, baby! Sino gusto makakita ng bird? Taas yung kamay. Are you sure? Are you ready to see the bird? Yes or no? Everybody say bird. Come on! Ready? Up, don't blink your eyes. Focus the magic. Ready? Bird.
Yun ang casting namin sa kanya.
Ganda ng bata na
Mas
diba?
healthy.
Ganda ba?
Ganda ng mata niya. Ganda ng mata niya.
Birthday, Abby.
Alright, so pala, thank you very much sa picture po. Pwede natin ang ating message para all the guests. At para isang message na lang po tayo bago tayo mamigay ng bird bags.
Shout out to Corina Chua.
Shout out to Charles.
Lascano. Ano ba
Ang pangalan, ano nga apelido mo, Charles?
Corina Lascano.
Ano ang apelido mo ulit, Charles?
Chester Valdez.
Ramos.
Legolas. May second name siya.
Oh, Legolas Joaquin.
Alam niyo naman kung bakit.
Say hi. Legolas.
Second,
Sabi mo, shout out.
Tago eh. Nangyay.
so kahit alam namin, yung panahon
Swim
ngayon.
against the
So,
light.
nag-effort sa
Anyway, stop. Kainin mo na yan.
Oo, sa bahay.
Kainin mo na yan. Sige, ingat.
Sweet!
Kainin mo na yan.
Oh! Sweet now! I like the party. That's so amazing. That's the party. It's so ever me. Now, let's make my party now.
It's not your party.
It's Tito Charles.
No, yesterday's
No?
party.
Mama?
How would you
How
describe
did
the
I-
party yesterday?
I don't know.
Did
Why?
you enjoy the party yesterday?
Yes, yes. You're right, Tito Charles. Ooh, wow.
What specific? What are the what are the names of your friends yesterday? What are their names? What can you say about your Lola?
Oh, cheese. Oh, cheese, boy. I like cheese.
How about Lolo?
Oh, no, Mama. The play. No.
Ano masasabi mo sa papa mo? Come on, did you enjoy the party yesterday?
Yes.
Did you enjoy the magic show?
Yes. I like the magic. 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 I like the
How about the
magic. I like the I like the games. I like the games. I like the games.
What about your friends?
Oh, I like my friends.
Okay, how about the ride?
I like the rides. Why?
Okay, say bye now to the vlog.
Bye! King.